This is a 57-pound takedown bow.
You can also film the bear. Mad now.
We'll get the bear after you finish shooting. And these mosquitoes are eating me alive.
Well, I completely missed the bear that time. Here again. There we go. 2 shots in the bear.
Okay, I won't stop the video this time. Now, let's go see what his shots were.
2 shots in the bear.
He was shooting at the bear. So how many arrows did you shoot?
7 apparently. Oh, 8.